Hi, I'm Jim with Aged Charred. Are you shopping for a whiskey drinker? Maybe you enjoy a bourbon or old fashioned. I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about how to smoke a cocktail. First of all, you get your drink, whether you drink your whiskey neat, on the rocks, or mixed into a drink. You'd have it in here. You set our smoke lid on top. You add in a small pinch of wood chips, doesn't take much. And then you use the torch that we include in our kits, and you burn those chips, and it pushes smoke right down on top of the drink. It only takes a second with our smoke lid. You let that sit there, give it 10 seconds for a mild smoke, 30 seconds, you get a really strong smoky flavor. And then when you serve it up, it has smoke rolling off the top. It has a great presentation. It smells good and it tastes fantastic. So our cocktail smoker kits come in a few varieties. So we have our complete kit here, which is everything that you need to smoke a cocktail. There's 8 different flavors of wood chips in here: apple, pecan, cherry, peach, mesquite, oak, all included in here. We have the smoke lid, the torch, even butane torch is included. We use Ronson butane. It's a good high quality butane, not the cheap stuff. So everything that you need to smoke a cocktail is included in here from the time that you open the kit. We also sell a version of this without the butane if you don't need that. Next is our premium kit. The premium kit is everything you get with the complete kit, plus it comes in this really nice wood box for storage and presentation. So if it's going to be sitting out on the bar or maybe where people can see it, you might consider getting the premium kit with the wood box. It also comes with our smoked cocktail recipe book is included in this one. It has the 8 wood chips, the torch, the butane, everything's included here too. Last but not least is our smoke barrel. The smoke barrel is everything you need to smoke multiple cocktails at once. So in this case, you would load the drinks into the smoke barrel, smoke the barrel the same way that you would a cocktail. If you only want to smoke one drink, this comes off. Smoke one drink nice and quick and easy for yourself. If you're having company over, you want to smoke multiple drinks, smoke those in here. You can also smoke cheeses, nuts, appetizers, all kinds of good stuff in here. This comes as a kit as well. It includes the barrel, the smoke lid, the torch, the butane, and the wood chips, all included in this kit. Everything that you need to smoke cocktails included here. Check us out at agedandcharred.com. We're based out of North Kansas City, and we'd love to have you as a customer.